This year we're gonna learn a trick that my dad read online. And my mom already did the hole, so I'm gonna get it out. You might see me using my shovel to get the dirt out. We're gonna put a ton in there for calcium, baking soda in there for sweetness. So I'm gonna put the in first, then I'm gonna grab the baking soda. You're gonna cover it up with gardening soil because you don't want the roots to touch the baking soda. Put it in. And here is the tomato plant. I'm gonna see that's good. Now you always want to be very gentle with this. Then you want to pack dirt back under it.
You want to put some more garden soil around it, nice and tight.
Yeah, you always want to make it nice and tight so it doesn't, when you water it, it doesn't flood and kill the plant.
Yeah, get a big shovelful, bud.
This is good. How it grows and how it tastes. If it doesn't work out and doesn't really taste well, what it's a total fail. And if it goes well, it could be really sweet or kind of bad. Let's see.